Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so I have a pot of water right next to me because we are going to be making some spaghetti. I'm going to be using these noodles from Matthew from the Great Value, and then I'm going to be using for myself the Miracle Noodles. I don't have the box with me, but these are Miracle Noodles, 0 carbs. So I'm going to be using that for myself. But we don't want to waste any food. Anyway, I'm going to be using the Great Value tomato, basil, garlic pasta sauce. Okay, I'm sorry about Nina. And I have some beef here, but I also have half of some ground chicken, and we're not going to let that go to waste. So let me go ahead and tell you, this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. So Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I host this collaboration with Jean Home Decor and More. And if you don't know who I am, I'm simply Grace Lifestyle or the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, either one of the two. And then anyone who jumps in is more than welcome to join me. So like I said, I'm not going to be wasting, we don't waste food here. Okay, so let's see. I think I can go ahead and add half a package of this beef. I'm trying to have a little bit of leftovers for tomorrow so that I don't have to cook. So we're going to do half. So it's half chicken and half beef. Guys, you can use whatever kind of meat you want. Some people use ground pork. Some people just use the beef. I'm using ground beef, and this I'll use tomorrow for something else. I'll probably make some egg rolls, and if I do that, stay tuned for that video. So we're gonna go ahead and start this burner. We're going to add, this is my house seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano or Italian seasoning, or both. Did I miss anything? Sometimes I'll come back and I'll add some crushed red pepper, and we are gonna add some Knorr chicken bouillon powder. So, all right, so a little bit of salt. You adjust your seasoning how you like, and add or take away what you don't use. Okay, so this is garlic. And I use tons of garlic, guys, so we're not gonna be cheap with that. And then I'm gonna use some Italian seasoning. I'm gonna get a glass of water. All right, so because the meat already has fat, I'm not gonna add any more fat. So I'm gonna go ahead and brown this meat together. There is my pot. All right, so this water has salt, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab some pasta. Now this meat is already cooked enough that I can go ahead and put the sauce in. So let me just go ahead. Now you can either leave the pasta whole, roll it around the water. We're not going to use too much pasta because he's the only one having it. Or I usually snap it in half. You could either leave it there, guys, whatever it is that you guys do. Okay, this is just what I do. I'm going to go ahead and drop a little bit of olive oil in there. Let's see. Just a tiny bit of olive oil in the water. Now, that's gonna go ahead. Let me lower that. Okay. That is gonna boil. This is gonna boil for about, I'll check it after 5 minutes, guys. 5 to 6 minutes. And then now we're gonna go over and add the sauce to this. I already added the Knorr, so that's good enough. Then we're just gonna let that simmer on number 2. Okay. I could have made some meatballs. I didn't make it meatball. I'm used to having it like this. This is the way my mom used to make this. I did not add additional oil to the bottom of the pan. If you want, you could go ahead and cook that with olive oil. This is not a fresh sauce, so this is a quick and easy meal, guys. And I'm going to cover this and let this simmer. Let me just bring that up to number 4. That's going to cook for about 7 minutes. This is going to continue cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to come back when this is ready to serve. Okay, so this is what I did. I drained Matthew's noodles. They're sitting right over there. I'm not going to get this all mixed. Usually I mix the pasta in with the sauce. I love doing that. Some people like pouring it over. I like it both ways. But in this particular case, since he's having regular pasta and I'm having the miracle one, I'm just going to pour my sauce over the pasta. This is delicious. I am so happy. He doesn't come home until later. So we are shutting this off. I already did that. I'll probably find a ladle as soon as I stop filming. All right, guys. So this is basically no carb spaghetti. The miracle noodle is 0 carbs. The sauce itself has absolutely no carbs at all, and I made it spicy. So this is what it looks like, and yeah, this is what I'm gonna have. I'm gonna cover it up until he gets home. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen. Amen.